Now, the purpose of this very interesting session will be to look at 3 examples of CCS. One, the Boundary Dam project, which has been operating for some years now. It's just stored 2 million tonnes. It is a large-scale integrated project which is using CO2 for, among other things, EOR. And that is the model that we were looking at for some time as being the way forward with CCS. The other 2 presentations in this session will be looking at what is becoming a new model. We will have Mark Dreesten from the Port of Rotterdam, who will be talking to us about their Backbone project, which is basically looking at how the Port of Rotterdam can make its contribution to decarbonising the Dutch economy by providing a service for transport and storage of CO2 for the various large-scale industries that are present in the Port of Rotterdam. It's worth noting that Rotterdam is some 20% of the Dutch emissions. So that is a very interesting, innovative approach which will drive CCS forward, we hope. Similarly, the third presentation will be from Gasnova on the Norwegian project, the Oslo project, which is, again, what we call a hub and cluster approach. There are 3 potential sites where they will be capturing CO2 and taking it by boat to a storage site off the Norwegian coast. The interesting thing here is there are 3 different industries involved in this. We have a chemical plant, a fertilizer plant in fact, a cement plant and a waste to energy plant. The interesting thing here is that this is not the power sector. These are industrial projects which are replicable outside Norway. So it gives Norway a position in advancing CCS, both for the benefit of the Norwegian industry and economy, and something that is replicable elsewhere. So I'm looking forward to this session with great interest.